Okay, Populr, a good, easy web publishing tool, or for like a blog. As you can see, this is what my dashboard looks like. Again, another tool that allows you to log in using your Google login, very Chromebook friendly. So here are my pages, and these are the pages that my students have made me a collaborator, which allowed me to just click on and view their progress and give them a grade. And then of course right here I can see that they made changes. I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like to start a new page and then come back to this. So I go on the create a new page, and I've used the company newsletter with my class. Click the preview real quick, and it basically shows you the outline of the template, the different things that you can use. Or you can select by category. And these are basically templates, because you can delete anything that's on there, but they give you a basic outline template to help you lay out all your assets. I'm going to go back to my pages, and from here, each of my pages, as I hover over them, comes over here in the preview screen, and you can see that they're not live. And I'm going to come here to edit. And this is one of my pages. Now, as you see here, I can't click on this top one because this up here is the logo. And so I just added a logo, which is a transparent PNG file, and it allows you to connect it from your Google Drive, which you can connect to, or your Dropbox, or your OneDrive, or you can just simply find a link to copy the URL. Now let's say I wanted to use the URL. I would, for example, let's say I was going to use an Adidas logo, a PNG file. I would search Adidas logo PNG, and if I click on it, you notice how there's these little squares background. That means it's going to be a transparency. So this is going to work. So I right click, I copy image URL, come back here, and I Control V, paste it in, and it shows me what it is, size, type, upload. And now it's going to upload it here, and it shows that it's working here. I'm not showing the title, and I'm good to go. And there it is. So if I need to switch back, I can just switch back to it. I can choose a different background if I wish, but right now I'm using the theme, but I could just switch the entire background. Fill it in, tile. I can use the font. I can change the font of the whole. I can use the theme. I can change all the font of the entire page. Same with the coloring. I'm still using this theme, but I can just change themes right from here. So anyway, we get into the assets. You notice here that there are two different assets, two different boxes. I can add something on the left, or the right, or the top, or the bottom. If I click to add the right, my options are to add text, an image, a video, a file, or embed something, an embed code. If I add an image, I can go to my library, which is things that I've already uploaded. I can upload the same options as you saw before. I can use the crop tool. Once I have something in there, I can drag this to rearrange it. Add a description. There's all these little options that you can put in there. And then of course I can trash this whole thing completely if I made a mistake. All of your editing options are available. I can show and hide the description of this, the title. I can move it. When I click on this, I can make this bigger and smaller. If I were to add files or video, for example, I paste in the YouTube or Vimeo URL. Those are basically the two biggest options you're going to want to use. You could upload from your library, but that not as popular of an option, I'd say. You can also upload a file. And basically your document file is going to allow you to upload like a PDF. And it would basically be just like this, and it'll allow the person to download it from your site. But that's basically it. I mean, once you're finished with it, you have your options to name your page and do your description, to share it, give your links. You can use your Twitter links and embed it. You can publish it. It gives you the preview of what it looks like once it's actually like published, because it's basically just a straight page. It's a simple way to create a single web page publishable. You can keep it private, which makes it, when it's unpublished, it keeps it made without and content without it being open to the entire world. And you can click here to collaborate. On the collaboration, you click enable collaboration link. Now you're either going to basically copy this link and send it to your collaborator, or you send it via email, or you basically take this link and you post it to your assignment page, or however you're going to do that. And that's your basic, those are your basic functions of Populr.